The material master is a multi-dimensional object in SAP. It combines functional views like purchasing, sales, MRP, accounting, and other with specific organizational levels, including, for example, client, plant, storage location, and sales organization. Each view exists only at its relevant level. Basic data sits at the general client level. Purchasing and MRP are driven at the plant level, and accounting is tied to the valuation area, which is usually the plant. When you create transactional documents like purchase orders, sales order, or production orders, SAP automatically copies data from the material masters at the specific organization level. The material type is the main control setting for the material masters. It decides many important things. It sets the number range for materials. It defines which functional views, tabs you can see. It selects the default price control. It determines how the material is evaluated in finance, defines account category reference. It controls whether quantities and values are updates in the system. The most common material types are raw for raw materials, half for semi-finished products, third for finished products, half for trading goods. Finally, the material type works together with industry sector. Together, they drive field selection. This means they decide which fields are mandatory, optional, hidden, or display only. Material master data is split into different tables. It depends on the view you need. Mara stores general data at the client level. Marked holds material descriptions in different languages. Mark keeps plant data like purchasing and MRP. MBEW stores financial data including price control and valuation class. MARD tracks stock quantities for each storage location. MVKE contains sales data by sales organization and distribution channel. All these tables are connected by one common key, the material number. Beyond standard views, the classification view allows you to enrich the material masters with custom characteristics. It's also possible to maintain alternative units of measure with conversion factors alongside EAN and UPC codes. To track legacy data, the old material number field serves as a direct cross-reference. Finally, SAP supports multi-language long text, including basic purchasing and sales text, ensuring proper communication across global supply chain. For single material maintenance, SAP uses standard transactions: MM01 to create, MM02 to change, MM03 to display, and MM06 to flag to deleting. For larger scale updates, MM17 enables mass maintenance. In terms of interfaces and automation, BAPI material save data is used for custom programs, while the MatMas iDoc handles communication with external systems. Data migration is typically managed via LSMW transaction. migration cockpit for S4HANA, or SAP MDG, Master Data Governance. To track modifications, you can audit the change logs via transaction MM04 or analyze tables CD-HDR and CD-POS directly. When a material needs to be utilized in a new plant, storage location, or business process, such as SD, you must extend it. This means running the creation transaction for the existing material numbers to build the missing organization levels and functional views. Skipping these steps or leaving master data incomplete triggers immediate roadblocks downstream. For example, a missing purchasing view completely blocks purchase order creation. A missing MRP view leaves the material unplanned by the system. Without an accounting view, goods movements and financial valuation are impossible. And a missing sales view completely prevents sales order processing. Managing this data becomes critical when you scale up. A typical international project involves handling data for over 100,000 materials. This data must be coordinated across dozens of manufacturing plants and distribution centers.